गुड मॉर्निंग।
मॉर्निंग।
इट्स डे 2। तरुण उठ के जिम जाके उसने वर्कआउट ख़त्म कर दिया और हम 5 मिनट पहले उठे हैं। बट वी आर ऑफ टू ब्रेकफास्ट एट दैट लोकेशन। आई थिंक दैट्स द लोकेशन। इट्स कॉल्ड बसिलिको। क्या खाने वाला है?
देखता हूँ, बहुत ऑप्शन है मेरा उधर।
या बहुत सारे।
Are you like उठते ही मन करता है ऐसे खाने?
बिल्कुल नहीं। मैं उठने के बाद मुझे 1-1.5 घंटा जाता है
Same.
बिफोर आई कैन ईट। बट उतना टाइम
मैं
है
literally
नहीं।
अभी 1 सेकंड पहले ब्रश करके आया हूँ और 3 मिनट पहले उठ के आया हूँ।
और अभी 4 मिनट में खाना खाना पड़ेगा आज। तो अभी एक्चुअली मुझे भूख नहीं लग रही है, बट अगर नहीं खाया तो खाना नहीं मिलेगा।
मैं तो खाऊंगा। बस सुन ले पैसे।
यार चालू हो गया इसका।
मेरी एक टांग नकली है, मैं हॉकी का।
And it's towards that area where the waterfall is.
ये रोज़ फ़ोन पकड़ के बोलता है कि आई वॉज ट्रैवलिंग टू सिंगापुर येस्टरडे। ये फ्लाइट था।
Yes, there's an ID. My name is Aditya. ADITYA. So
मैंने
yesterday I
जो
called the
एग्जैक्ट शेफ
airport.
है
the Shanghai
and he
airport,
asked if we
and
need
they said
anything.
that there
So I
are
said I want like to पानी जिसमें वो नींबू के स्लाइसेस होते हैं ना, जो लोग डिटॉक्स वाटर बोलते हैं, बट आई डोंट लाइक दैट वाटर, so I don't use it. So he said okay, he got what I wanted.
thing is now I only have 1 day.
ये पानी है। This is
Max 2
पानी
days. The
infused
second day
with
I'm leaving
raspberry and
Singapore.
lemon and
And
mint.
there's an ID in my
Oh, and
that I would absolutely need. So maybe
Only at contracts.
proactively.
हम कहते हैं कि हम ब्रेकफास्ट पीपल नहीं हैं, बट ये देखो इसने तो ख़त्म कर दिया है।
मैं
हाँ तू भी नहीं है, बट यू वर्कड आउट।
So I need to have, and this is like the granola type,
Yeah. So this is blueberry yogurt, mango yogurt.
and all the nuts,
Yeah.
pineapple, mushrooms, sausage, egg white.
Bagel.
This is New York style, na?
Yeah. And they also gave us some kaya bagels because that's a Singapore special.
This is beetroot and carrot.
Carrot.
But I want to ask for
Berries?
berries.
You can ask them. I've got a cappuccino. My plate has watermelon, dragon fruit, eggs, sausages and mushrooms. And I have a waffle, pandan cake, which is Singapore ka specialty, maple syrup and whipped cream. That was the coolest interaction ever. है ना तरुण?
So he's the executive producer.
Yeah, and he says
Second in command.
Yeah, and he knows me. That's so insane. That has never happened with me before. Okay, चलो अभी खाना खाते हैं. What?
So can you please tell me the collection process again? It's at the Terminal 3 Changi Airport. To go along with the boarding pass and passport which we have. Okay, can you just send me an email? And thank you so much. You were my last hope and you helped me out. Let me allow you to take you out for a beer. Everything is exactly what I described. It's my wallet, right? Alright, thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Oh my god, first thing I'll do is tell
Yeah.
my parents.
Yes.
who are
Tell them.
stressed.
Where did they find it?
Flight में.
फ्लाइट में ही मिल गया?
Yeah.
Okay, good. मिल गया वॉलेट. गलफेयर. So ये no more of us hearing मेरी एक टांग नकली है, मैं हॉकी का बहुत बड़ा प्लेयर हूँ. फ्लाइट में था.
तुम दोनों को भी रट गई होगी स्टोरी.
भाई बट पता है ये इसको क्या बोल रहा है? He's like मेरा ही वॉलेट है ना, everything is exactly as I described it.
2 मिनट की खुशी नहीं चाहिए. 1 घंटे का एफर्ट और 2 मिनट की खुशी. नहीं सॉरी, हम विकास खन्ना के बात कर रहे हैं.
High five.
Good.
Hi. We have taken over Shravani's camera. हम जा रहे हैं.
हाईजैक कर लिया
हमने हाईजैक किया उसके कैमरा को, फोन को, एंड विल कंटिन्यू द ब्लॉग जो भी है. हम जा रहे हैं T3. नहीं, we don't have a flight to catch, but his prized possession has been found finally. ये कैसा लग रहा है देखो.
अभी पहले लूँगा, उसके बाद सेलिब्रेट करूँगा कि मुझे अभी भी डाउट हो रहा है, जैसे मुझे लग रहा है कि नहीं आया, बट उन्होंने बोल दिया है सारा डिस्क्रिप्शन देके,
बोल दिया है।
मिल गया है फाइनली। ये बात ये लोग मुझे कल भी बता सकते थे, क्योंकि मैंने इनको कल फ़ोन किया था।
हाँ
कहते कि नहीं अभी तक तो रिपोर्ट नहीं हुआ, और आज रैंडमली फ़ोन किया तो हाँ पड़ा है। अरे भाई पड़ा है तो बताओ ना, मैंने कॉल करा उनको, एंड देन दे टोल्ड मी कि हाँ आप आ सकते हो और अभी कलेक्ट कर सकते हो। सो वी आर हियर।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू। अभी लेट्स गो एंड फाइंड हिज पोजेशन। मिला?
ये मिल गया।
विच प्लेस यू सजेस्ट? क्या ढूंढ रहा है?
इसने मुझे सजेस्ट करी थी एक जगह,
बेस्ट UAG to SZ आर्केड।
आर्केड
ट्रेन इज हियर।
द आर्केड एट रैपिड स्पेस।
चलो।
Okay, the update is that Aditya got his wallet. Tarun and him went to Changi Airport, went to the Lost and Found Center, and finally got it. Now, I sent them there because I wanted to sit and edit. So, I've just sat down and created a full edit for Conrad because they've been so incredible. And also, I feel like one problem with me is if I shoot a lot and then like try to edit everything after the trip, it just never works out and kuch na kuch reh jata hai. So, I'm just sitting on this bed, working a little bit, finishing up some edits, and then I'm gonna go meet my childhood friend Nanny. We've known each other since I think primary 4, so since we were 10 years old. It's been 20 years of knowing her. We've kept in touch on and off as much as possible because, you know, as adults, everyone's busy, okay? Everyone has their own stuff going on, but every time we meet, it's really nice. So I'm grateful that she's taking out some time to meet me. It's a 15-minute walk for me. I don't have any makeup on. I need to like really get ready, but I'm just quickly gonna upload this reel, get ready, and then we're gonna go to Wisma Atria, going to go have Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, which is one of my favorite cafes here in Singapore. It's like a local chain, okay? It's like Starbucks, but better. Okay, I am ready to go meet Nanny. I am super excited. This is my outfit. I actually got the top from Shein. Pants are from Zara, bottoms bol rahi hu. Shoes are from Steve Madden. Very comfortable, look uncomfortable but they're actually comfy. Chalo, let's go. It's like a 15-minute walk from the hotel, but Singapore is best explored on foot. So, come with me. मैं almost पहुंच गई हूँ. 2 minutes away. Nanny is already there. So excited to see her. That is the Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf where I'm meeting her.
I don't know which she is. She identified it.
It starts like this.
Okay, what do I
Guys,
do?
meet Nanny. So Nanny, you've known me since?
2006. That's
That's
like 20 years
20
ago.
years.
Oh shit.
20
yeah.
years. And we're meeting after like 6 years?
Yes. No, since you. Yeah.
2020,
6 years.
right? I
Yeah,
came last.
Yeah.
Yeah, because last time I came and then she didn't have any time for me. So,
Yeah, she came for like 4 days though.
I mean,
and also the day on the day that she came, she's like, yeah, hi, can we meet?
did I do that?
Yeah. It was so last minute.
Really?
Yeah. And then I was like, I'm not free.
Okay.
I'm not free.
Nanny's brought me to Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, which looks nothing like what I remembered it to
I
be.
didn't bring. She chose. She said, I love coffee tea.
Yeah, because you were taking me to some fancy place. dude.
Yeah. Some culture. Some
यार
like
दुबई में यही
vibe.
मिलता है और कुछ
No,
like
it was gonna be like a Chinese traditional place. Yeah.
I just went to China though.
Oh yeah.
Very
I saw.
recently. I just got a curry puff, which is basically, you can say, inka samosa. It's filled with aloo, anda and chicken. And I know that might sound very weird on camera, but you've got to try it. I got this for about $2.30. When I was here, I used to buy this for I think 50 cents. जब मैं छोटी थी. Of course, महंगाई बढ़ गई है, but the taste is still as good. Next stop is obviously Sephora. So I went to Charles and Keith. I also went to Love Bonito, and then I went to this place called Cheek, which is it's an activewear brand यहाँ का. And ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगा, but I feel like it's too early to shop. If you know what I mean. Like I want to see the same stores के अलग-अलग branches, shortlist what I want, and then finally end up buying. Sephora से भी मैंने कुछ लिया नहीं, although they have House Labs here, and what else? They have one more brand here जो दुबई में नहीं है. तो शायद मैं कुछ लूँगी, बट देखते हैं. I'm not rushing it. This came up from the underground passage. This is the Ion Mall. बहुत सुंदर है. And this is Orchard Road. So beautiful. Abhi, I'm thinking of walking towards 313 Somerset, which is that way. It's, I think, about 1.5 km. It'll be good to get my steps in. I've also got this Swiss roll from Bengawan Solo, which is like my literal favorite cake. मतलब बचपन में मुझे इतना पसंद था Bengawan Solo का. Also थोड़ी सी गर्मी है. You can also get like the Swiss roll by slice, but I just got the entire roll. I thought I could share it with Tarun and Aditya. तो वो लोग अभी मरीना बे में हैं. आई एम हैविंग माई ओन शॉपिंग टाइम बिकॉज आई नीड टू शॉप अलोन. आई कैन नॉट बी शॉपिंग विद एनी वन. इवन तो वो लोग तंग नहीं करते. दे विल कम विथ मी एवरीवेयर, बट मुझे ही बुरा लगता है. यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. व्हेन यू आर ऑन ऑर्चर्ड रोड, इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल वॉक बाय द वे. I don't know if you can see these umbrellas, but they sell ice cream. And this is some of Singapore's most popular ice cream. The reason this is so popular is because it's basically like a block or a slab of ice cream. जो काट के they either give it to you in a slice of bread, like colorful bread, or wafers. And this is something that has been around for I think 50 plus years. Even जब मैं छोटी थी तब me, mom, dad used to come here. And my parents used to love getting it in the wafer. I used to like the bread, but I think now if you ask me, I'd probably pick the wafer. See some of these really old uncles selling this ice cream. They've been around for a pretty long time. Also, live music. Love Orchard Road. चल के मैं आ गई हूँ 313 Somerset. This is also like a shopping mall. It has Somerset MRT station also underneath. My goal is कि यहाँ पे भी वही सब शॉप्स देखना. अलग अलग ब्रांचेस रहते हैं, तो इफ़ आई लाइक समथिंग आई माइट पिक इट अप. अदरवाइज मैं 1-1.5 घंटा घूम के फिर चली जाऊँगी. आई रियली लाइक दीज. बहुत कंफर्टेबल है एंड आई फील लाइक बहुत सारे आउटफिट्स के साथ जाएंगे भी. हैव अ लॉट ऑफ क्लोज टू फुटवेयर एंड नॉट एज मच ओपन टू. सो एक्चुअली कंसिडरिंग गेटिंग दीज. सो इसको देखो. I think these are just out of this world gorgeous. Definitely getting these. ये वाला चार्ल्स एंड कीथ बहुत ही सुंदर है. Let me show you what I'm getting. So पहले तो मैं ये चप्पल ले रही हूँ, which is like for casual wear obviously, but look at the seashells. It just makes it so much more classy. Other than this, also so pretty, but heels ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं होते हैं इसके लिए मैं नहीं ले रही हूँ. I also really like this one, but ये थोड़ा सा महंगा है. This is $99.90. It's $100. इसके अलावा मैंने ये वाले उठाए हैं, these chunky pair, which I think will go with dresses and things like that. And daily use के लिए मुझे कुछ ऐसा चाहिए था because I don't have anything like this. So I'm getting this one as well. इसका भी काफ़ी अच्छा selection है यहाँ पे, but the one that I am getting is this one, not the mint green one, because I need my basics first. तो मैं ये वाला ले रही हूँ. I really like the Chanel 25 bag. So this is like a similar style, but overall मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. And इसका ये जो pattern है, इस पे scratches नहीं आएंगे, so I'm getting that as well. Damage done for the day. इधर ज़ारा आ गया है तो देख लेते हैं. But I don't think I'll be buying anything from here क्योंकि दुबई में भी है. काफ़ी महंगा हो गया है ज़ारा. So just take a round. मुझे एक बात बताओ, रिटेल थेरेपी में वो क्या चीज़ है जिससे हम लड़कियाँ इतनी खुश हो जाती है. लाइक आई एम स्ट्रकिंग अराउंड विद दीज मैसिव बैग्स दैट आई कैन barely carry. I also have to walk maybe 2.5 km from here to reach my hotel. But I'm so happy. अभी I'm gonna see what else is there in this mall. मुझे मेनली तो चार्ल्स एंड कीथ ही लेना था. प्लस मुझे GST रिफंड मिलेगा एयरपोर्ट पे अराउंड $14. ओके, एंड इफ़ यू साइन अप फॉर अ मेम्बरशिप विद चार्ल्स एंड कीथ हियर you get $10 off on every future purchase. So now if I go back for a second time, which I definitely will, on my trip here, I will get an additional 10% off plus the GST refund. मैं अभी चल के धीरे धीरे जा रही हूँ मेरे होटल की तरफ. It's a 25-minute walk, but I don't mind because I just love walking on foot in this city. I also have to pick up food, so I'm thinking Ion Mall में नीचे food court है, वहाँ से कुछ उठा के जाऊँ. Also, you all know that I was wearing, like I've been wearing the NARS tinted moisturizer. I didn't put any foundation today. I did put a little bit of concealer under my eyes, but other than that, it's only the tint. And even though Singapore is so hot and sticky, I think it stayed pretty वेल मतलब मैं तो काफ़ी इम्प्रेस्ड हूँ इससे. शेड भी बहुत अजीब नहीं लग रहा है मेरे फेस पे, जो कभी कभी लग जाता है. तो ठीक है. एनीवे चलो आयोन जाते हैं. Okay, so everything in the food court was shut. I don't know why. It's 9:30. It's not 10 o'clock. मुझे बोला गया था कि 10 बजे सब बंद होता है. But that means I am walking back to the hotel and I have to order something on Grab. And most of the options are fast food. I really don't want to eat fast food because it gets me super bloated. So देखते हैं. मेरे पास मेरा केक है and एक can of Milo है. But that also should not be my dinner. So अभी कुछ मंगाती हूँ. Anyway, I have like a nice 15-minute walk ahead of me. तब तक आ ही जाएगा. धीरे धीरे चलते चलते my destination is here. Listen, if you're a woman walking alone in Singapore at night, you don't have to be worried about getting robbed or someone causing you any kind of harm, but you do need to be afraid of sweating all of your makeup off because it is so freaking humid. Can you see it on my face? बहुत ही ज़्यादा humid है. Can't wait to go back to my room and take a shower because I really need it. Finally, back to the hotel. This hotel at night is so stunning. Like, just look at that. Beautiful. I love these elevators. Made it back to the hotel room and look at what's been waiting for us. They left these, what are they called? The Quay Lapis over here for us. Look at that beauty. We can have this post dinner, and also because they know how much I love Milo, they've given us 2 new cans. 2 मैंने खत्म कर दिए, अभी 2 और है अपने पास. So we are really being taken care of. I'm thinking of doing a Charles and Keith haul before I go for a shower because then I'm just going to look, I'm not going to feel like shooting. So let's get into it. I think I'm going to do a separate video on this, so I'll leave the link somewhere either in the description box or up here as a card. So in case you're interested, head over there and check it out. These are the 2 massive bags I have, and this is not going to be my last purchase from Charles and Keith. Oh, also, before I forget, my Bengawan Solo cake. This is also super important. Okay, I have finally taken a nice long hot shower and I'm ready to eat. This is the Bengawan Solo Swiss roll that I love so much, and I have a glass full of water because I feel like on holidays we tend to be so dehydrated, पता ही नहीं चलता है कि हमने पानी नहीं पिया है. तो पहले पानी पीते हैं. The lack of drinking water also makes me super bloated, so I've been feeling that kind of bloat throughout the day. But anyway, let's cut ourselves a slice of this. I have to figure out what we're doing tomorrow. But the hotel has planned like a cheese infusion workshop for us. I'm not sure what that exactly means, but we'll find out. And everything about Conrad so far has been nothing short of amazing. So I trust that it's gonna be something great. Look at that. So while I eat this, tomorrow's plan is, like, I really want to wake up early. Today I woke up at like 9 o'clock, which is too late, I feel. So मुझे 7-7:30 बजे तक उठना है, just so I can really take some time to sit down in the balcony, have my coffee. We could even actually go up to the executive lounge and have coffee there. So good. And then I definitely want to do something, not Universal Studios because Friday ko they're starting this Minions theme something, so we'll go on that day. I don't want to do shopping tomorrow either because I just did it today. We could potentially go to the Botanic Gardens, or we could do Gardens by the Bay. I guess overall I absolutely loved how the day went. It was chill, it was relaxing, I got my shopping done, I'm eating my favorite cake in the world. It's a good day, and now I'm just waiting for Tarun and Aditya to come back because I went shopping alone. They went to do other things. I feel like on this trip, one thing we have all agreed on is that everyone should get to do what they want to do. Like, I want to go shopping alone, so I go shopping alone. If someone wants to go to the casino, they'll go to the casino. If someone wants to go to the gym, to go swimming, to do anything that the rest of us don't want to, they can just go and do it. And I think that is going to make sure that this is the perfect trip for all of us. Anyway, while I wait for them, I'm going to eat this and I'll see you in a bit.